How to choose the right expiry time for your trading style. You will get the answer in this video, and I will also show you what candlestick time to choose for certain time frames. You need to understand that there are 3 main time frames where we can trade short-term trades. These are 1 minute expiry, 3 minutes expiry, and also 5 minutes. Anything above that we do not take is a long-term trade. The bot is suitable for short-term, and that is where we will be working today. Next, let's move on to the candlestick time. If you've chosen time for a trade of 1 minute, then I advise you to put 5 seconds or 15 seconds. During this time, you will have one candle to close within 15 seconds. It goes through a certain period of time of the chart and leaves a shadow behind it for the time you choose, either in 5 seconds or 15 seconds. This is the best candlestick time to work on a 1 minute candlestick. 10 seconds do not take into work. What to do when you want to open a deal for 3 minutes. Then you can choose 15-second candlesticks or 30-second candlesticks and enter on new candlesticks. If you want to open a 5-minute trade, then you need to choose 30 seconds, 1 minute or even 2 minutes. You're going to have one candle close at 2 minutes, 1 minute or 30 seconds. I advise you to put the smallest candles as they will have the best entry point. Now that we have the theory out of the way, let's move on to practice. First, I will show you how to open a trade for 5 minutes. I put 5 minutes on the broker. The expiration time, I choose the candlesticks 30 seconds. I go into the bot. Click on get a new signal and I select British pound dollar. Expiry time 5 minutes, exactly the same time as on the broker. I get a buy signal for 5 minutes. And I open my buy right there. If you have the same expiry time and the expiry time given to you by the trading bot, then you can open your trade in that direction. And just enjoy the trade. Due to the fact that the volume on the market has now fallen a bit, this deal unfortunately closed in the minus. But let's not get upset and just increase my amount on the deal and cover this minus by $850. I will open the next deal, but for 3 minutes. I advise you to first prepare the platform and only then go to the trading bot. I choose the 3 minutes, I choose the candlesticks of 15 seconds. And I choose a trading pair, for example, the euro, the Swiss franc. Go to streams, click on get a new signal. I choose this trading pair and the expiration time is 3 minutes. I get a buy signal again. And right there I open my buy trade for $850. If you add technical analysis here, you can see a good support level where the price is going to react and make all these highs. And as you can see, this is already a great deal. It brings me $700. Thus, I covered my minus and earned 3 minutes on top. Everything works out perfectly. And now I will show you how you can trade on 1 minute, very sniper-like. You choose 1 minute expiry time. You choose candles of 5 seconds. This is very important. And I will tell you later why it is so important. You go to the bot booster, but first you choose a good pair. In my case, it will be the Australian Canadian dollar. I get a new signal, I choose this trading pair and the expiry time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal for 1 minute. I open my buy trade on a new 5-second candle. It is very important to open your trade exactly on a new 5-second candle because you have a very high probability that the price will make such a movement. You will enter your deal at this point and the next candle will immediately fly in the other direction. So you'll have the best entry point into the market That's gonna get you a good trade. A good trade brings me $760. Great result, and as you can see, you can earn very quickly on 1 minute. I suggest you open another trade on the Euro Swiss franc. I go to the bot, I get a new signal, I choose this trading pair, and the expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a sell signal. I wait for a new 5-second candle. And right on it, I open my sell trade, and the same way with the downward movement. You wait for the green candle up first, enter at its peak, and then the price makes the next movement. This is how the booster bot works, and it is the best combination of time frame time, expiry time, how to work with this bot. Bought. Well, by the way, price hasn't had a correction in a long time, so we can expect a nice downward movement. That's what I'm seeing on the chart right now. Great. I'm making almost $800 from this trade. And you can see how easy it is to make money with the booster bot. At 5 minutes, you may have a sudden loss of volume and the deal may not close, but at 1 minute and 3 minutes, this will not happen. So you can safely work with this bot on 1 minute, on 3 minutes, or in extreme case, if you trade during the day, then on 5 minutes. And as you can see, I doubled my deposit today without analyzing the market. Very easy earnings with this bot. You will find a link to it in the description and in the attached comment. And also, if you have any question, then be sure to write to the support account. They will gladly help you with all your questions. That's all I have for today. I wish you success.